These guys are gonna have
Whoa, chill out. Lovely time, as you can see, the one and only yo.
dank
Dank.
Oh, dank means
D-A-N-G. Dank.
posting.
Posting. Like, just like
ignoring,
Just like
ignoring, not.
और काविन कैसे हो? All is salty like.
Oh. What does bougie mean?
Bougie means right. DSW.
Last one. What does drip mean?
You're paid for this much only.
Hi guys, welcome back. So today we are in Co-Local Sector 104 Noida. We're here for a lunch date, and today you're gonna meet someone really special, really close to me and Shay. And yeah, let's go. I'll make you meet them. No, him actually. Say hi, Kian.
Hello there.
That's Sheikh's brother, come friend,
Yeah.
our fam. You wanna say something, Shay?
No, I don't want to say anything. He's my bro man, Ali, Kian Ali.
Right.
He's the nicest guy that I've ever seen anyone like. I've never seen anyone like him
Dude's
in
actually
life.
my best friend, the oldest one I have actually.
Yeah. Why are we looking so pale in the frame? I don't know.
Light.
Yeah, I
But who
think.
cares? We got each other as light in our lives.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. This light is coming from God
It
actually.
seems like I'm third wheeling them.
No, you're not third wheeling.
not.
Nobody
I
is third wheeling. Right now, it's the perfect third wheel.
Yeah.
Third wheel thingy.
Are you dumb? What are you?
I mean, the three wheeler.
Doesn't even make sense.
Ali in the house. Ali in the house.
Have some.
No, you have. Please have some.
Alright, so it's a lovely time, as you can see, the one and only yo.
So much love, guys. So much love.
Plus, it's the man, the myth, the legend. PS5,
Yes, yours.
PSRs. Sharing में यार अब क्या कर सकते हो मैं?
Okay, guys, let's start the challenge. You guys have met Kian.
Hello there, I'm Kian, normal 13-year-old, best friend of Parantav Sheikh.
You don't have to say you're a 13-year-old, guys.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm 13 years old.
Yeah, I'm 13.
I mean, like facts being facts here. I would say that.
We speak facts over here. You know what else is a facts? You guys should subscribe right now.
Yeah, you should subscribe my channel, guys.
She's working the best, and you know that she deserves subscription, comment, and likes.
And lots of love.
Better than Saurabh Joshi, honestly.
Yeah, don't say that, yeah.
Alright.
Okay, so we're doing a who knows millennial and Gen Z slangs better.
Versus us.
These guys are gonna have,
Whoa, chill out.
they're gonna be battling against each other in this challenge. Okay. Should we? He's gonna lose?
Yeah, he's gonna lose. He's a noob.
Okay, guys.
He's a noob.
I'm not gonna say
I'm
anything.
not showing them the questions. Okay, the first is, what does glow up mean? Glow up.
The person's
no.
appearance goes up, and the person looks better.
Turns better. It's like you turning
Yeah.
your better version.
Yeah.
You got it
Look.
first.
Wait, who came first? Oh,
This means a makeover or transformation from bad to good.
there you go.
So 1 point to Sheikh. What is cancel culture?
Culture.
Cancel culture. That means
know that.
one who is not like one who is not
accepting the
like
culture?
not accepting, like not accepting the culture, as in like the person go against the culture and does like contemporary things.
Yeah, like
maybe
Absolutely wrong. Cancel culture is a form of shaming the action and opinions of a public figure, organization, or a person.
So-
That's cancel culture.
So you
Wait,
get
wait,
1
isn't
point
that-
for that.
No, I get that point too because
You said this?
no, I said it's not accepting.
You said accepting culture.
yeah,
Not
So you
accepting.
don't accept the way that they look or they
Shut
do.
up. what she will tell.
Alright.
Either I'm right or you're right.
Shaming others, basically.
Yeah, okay.
What you do?
What is sheesh?
Oh, that's too
like,
good.
Sheesh, you know, like
That refers to like,
sheesh.
this food is busting. I might give it a
sheesh. Yeah,
That's like
sheesh.
too good.
Yeah. Sheesh. It's basically
A busting.
an
It
onomatopoeia.
means really good.
It's a sound. It's like a effect.
No, you're wrong. He's right. Sheesh is used to hype someone
There you
up
go.
if they're looking good or doing something good.
Yeah. Okay.
So,
Too good for this.
one point.
Alright, it's 1-1.
Point.
No.
I knew it, but I like okay.
Okay, guys, this one you both know, and whoever says this first will get the point. Family.
Family.
No, I said first.
You're my fan. I get the point.
He got it. He got it.
Yeah. I'm on 2,
Alright.
you are on 1.
Yeah.
Bro,
What
you're
is
losing.
what is dank?
Bro, you're losing.
What is dank?
Chill out. I
mean?
should go. Huh?
What?
Dank.
Dang.
Oh, dank means
D-A-N-G. Dang, right?
No, dank.
D-A-N-K.
Dang.
Just say it.
What is it?
Yeah.
Dank
spell
or-
it.
Dank. D-A-N-K.
Dang. He's a dang. Like you know, like stylish.
No,
He's a dang.
it's being really bad. It's
Yeah.
something related
No.
to not good.
I think it's
He's very close. I'll
like
give him the
stylish.
point.
Or like maybe it's like
If something is dank, it means it's excellent
excellent. Yeah.
Oh.
and very high quality.
thought
Oh
it's
my
dank.
god! I never expected.
I mean better.
I never expected you to know things. Okay, next one you both know. Okay,
Yeah.
so just say it.
Right.
Ghosting.
Ghosting.
Like
just
ignoring,
time pass.
ignoring,
Just like
ignoring,
time
not time pass.
No, no, no.
Ignoring.
It's ignoring.
It's ignoring.
pass. I mean, just like he goes.
Don't
Nah, she
yell,
just ghosting. He just
don't
ignoring.
yell,
Oh, yeah,
don't
my bad,
yell,
my bad.
relax. He's on 2, you're on
I'm not racist.
3.
3. Yeah. Better.
Alright.
What does salty mean? Salty.
It's like
Salty,
freaky.
man.
It's like really.
Like girl is like
Oh.
no, I don't know.
It's
Salty,
like-
like something like awkward, weird.
Yeah. It's weird or like
Weird,
something
like salty.
that's-
Like not good. Something
Actually,
like not good.
he
No,
gets
it's like.
Like salty. Not good.
Wait, I have.
that line that you
awkward.
said.
Wait.
It has to be chopped off.
Yeah.
Salty means Gen Z use the term when they're feeling jealous.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I'm too salty.
So wait, I said freaky. Doesn't that count?
You said it afterwards. He said it first.
No, I said freaky first.
I get the free kick for that, man. Free kick.
Okay.
4-2.
Not freaky.
Okay.
I get the free
I
kick.
But how
never
many questions
expected
are
you
there?
to know this.
I'm on 4, he's on 2.
How many questions are there?
I'm on 4, you are on 2.
You still have
Yeah, I'm
like.
gonna lose it.
That's not it.
Alright.
What does bougie mean?
Bougie means
Bougie, man. Like,
really sassy.
yeah.
Yes, he gets the point.
Okay.
I'm
3-4.
Yeah, 3.
What does TFW mean?
TSW. That feeling when.
Yeah.
That feeling well.
Yes, he's mine.
Sheesh. Now we have leveled up.
My bad.
We'll figure that out. What does? Okay, he's texting,
My bad.
guys.
Yeah, go on.
You can say. Yeah, alright.
What does?
Go up.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Because this you both know. What does snack mean?
Snack. Like amazing, like hot.
No.
Snack.
Like munchy.
Like snack.
Munch on it.
What are these abbreviations that you're giving?
Like snack.
Tasty.
Tasty.
Delicious.
No.
Shakelicious.
Time, like, I don't know. Like quick food.
No. A snack is a person that you find is attractive.
Yeah, so I
That's
said
what I
tasty.
said. Like, you know, like amazing. Like,
No,
like
that's
hot
that's.
chick.
I think we should give it to both of you.
Yeah. It's like
Alright, that's right. Alright, bro, that's right.
Okay. Last one.
Yeah. Dine.
What does drip mean?
Drip.
Like really
amazing. Like good looking.
Really good.
Handsome.
Good
Good looking. Yeah, like chilling.
Well dressed.
Like,
Well
chilling.
dressed.
You said it first.
Yeah.
No, good
Right.
looking, you said it first.
Alright, you know what?
Okay, guys. I think we have a winner.
Chill out.
I never expected Sheikh to know these millennial and Gen Z words. I thought, and I was saying
I'm
this
teaching this
since last night कि भाई Kian is gonna win it.
Honestly, you said amazing. I said well dressed.
Amazing. Well dressed is like extension of it. Extension. You define
look at it for
but-
clothes.
But I said it first.
But you've said it first,
Yeah,
but he
I get the point.
but he is
So you
more.
can't say anything first and then you're first, no?
No, just you have to say it first, no? Because I get the point.
What the hell you want?
He
to
said it later.
say?
Of course. You know, like,
But he's more precise.
but I am also.
Oh, you
precise.
got the point. You got
You
the
what?
point.
Yeah.
Stop crying.
He's so competitive.
Chill out.
Okay,
Right.
guys, that was
I think she both won.
that was a quick game.
Hey, honestly, of course, you guys should subscribe and all. I love these two people over here. This dude, wonderful man, a charm of a person, honestly. So, I love this dude. It's like,
Thank you.
Even if I lose to him, it's like I won. Because if you won, I did.
Same here.
You want him for life.
Like, if
Yeah.
he wins, then I will like feel like, you know, I have won the
That's
competition.
for sure.
Like, yeah,
Right.
maybe sure. Yeah, for sure.
Thank you, guys. I hope you guys had fun.
Bye bye.
Please give lots of love to all of us.
Yep.
And please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.
Yeah, guys.
Thank you, Kian, for coming.
Yep. Thank you much.
He's coming.
Hello.
Yo, what's up? He is a masterpiece. He's a piece of master.
Yeah, he's a-
mastermind.
Mastermind. Now he's like field famous.
No one's saying that.
What?
He's इनका इसलिए चेहरा एक दिन दिखाऊंगा मैं असली चेहरा मेरा यही है वो पीछे ही है He's a very nice guy. I love him. काविन तुम्हें पसीने क्यों आ रहे इतने ह्यूमिडिटी और काविन कैसे हो यहाँ पे कैसे आए हो
पेरिस से आए हो।
अरे गाड़ी से आए हो मतलब किससे मिलने आए हो को लोकल
सैयद अली क्या नाम थी
अच्छा वो तो अभी है ही नहीं यहाँ पे
फिर
चलो गुड जॉब यू आर अ नाइस गाय मैन यू आर अ ब्रोडी say something
You're a roadie.
he's a roadie and we are standing on the road so we are roadie man
सब्सक्राइब लाइक शेयर कमेंट
yeah please this guy is saying you have to thank you so much
फॉलो
Bye.
माय इंस्टा आई एम काविन
बस you're paid for this much only enough good job
We just had a very good
Aesthetic day.
time.
Aesthetics, yeah. Most like one of the most loveliest day of my life.
yeah we had a mocha aesthetic day
With the
Mo-
people that I like, really like, and I guess that it's just the day that you want to spend with your loved ones. So,
yeah
We love you, Kian.
yeah.
we love you
Okay, bye.
thank you bye bye guys see you take care
Guys, it was a lovely day. Thank you, Kian, for being you. You're a great guy and we love you. And yeah, thanks, Sheikh, for making me meet Kian. You want to say something to your bro man?
yeah he is my bro man for life and he is a complete vibe so like you can talk anything with him and he will make you feel special and we had a great day talking to him and having this Gen Z slangs challenge.
Now we're going back. And I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye. Okay, bye.
Bye, see you, take care.